Hello and welcome to JinXCAT. I'm the JinXCAT dev. So today's video is going to be different. So we're going to explain how and why JinXCAT, how these ideas came up. Many of you have these questions. How did he become JinXCAT dev? Why JinXCAT? Why the project started? Basically, I'm very advocate and enthusiast of cryptos, NFTs, and meme coin since I involved in crypto about 3 4 years ago. Yeah, so I always had in my mind, I always aspire that there are a lot of people who makes a lot of money, but we can use this money to do something good. um, on the other hand, the JinXCAT, why the name JinXCAT came. So I'm an IT consultant myself, and I work with other colleague in our office. We have two colleagues. They love this kind of meme stuff. What they do is Tom and Steven. What they do is they print out these memes and they stick around the office around it. The many pictures that they had is this JinXCAT. So we were, on lunchtime, we were started watching these JinXCAT videos and things like that. So I had a really um, interested in JinXCAT. It's very good characters. It's a real OG cat, so it's not a online generated or AI generated cat. It's an OG cat. You can see I'll tag it on the bottom on the description, that real OG cat. So it's JinXCAT. So me and my friend who's into crypto as well, when we're talking about it, we have seen many projects coming up, and yeah, so I thought, why not? So basically, I was influenced by these two YouTubers. I'll show their video now here.
In this video, I'm going to show you.
Sajad is one of the guy that who provide very good, amazing um, meme coin content, and how to trade and how to do things. So he's one of the main character that I'm falling in love with. Meme coins, meme token. Then I wanted to create a meme token as well. And then again, second is the Hammy coin. The second one is Bade Business. So he created his own Hammy coin. Then yeah, so that's gave me the strength and ideas that why don't we create a coin and just document everything from the beginning A to Z. What's happening, what is involved. A lot of people are they we buy and trade coins, but I wanted to um, experience this and document this. So I'm an IT consultant. I do have 95 jobs. I didn't have time. So obviously I was holiday. I was on annual leave the last week. Then my friend, he said, "Look, let's do it. I'll fund you. I'll give the funds that necessary. You do the techie work and everything. Just get this going." So yeah. So we were thinking about the name. Then I was clicked, oh, JinXCAT. So this is from my colleague that okay, let's do JinXCAT. We haven't seen a JinXCAT um, a meme coin done before. So yeah, so just register the domain and started the website and then all the socials. Yeah, which was amazing. So this is how that the JinXCAT ideas came up. As I said before, I always an advocate that we can use these cryptos, a portion of it, to do good on the community. So the early I was, maybe you can see on the videos as well from my channel. I was working on a original meme coin to support the goodness for the people. A portion of it, let's do buy and sell. A portion of it automatically goes into a wallet. That wallet gets full. Then we use that wallet to do good things in the community. There are a lot of people that who need basic needs, toilets, water, education, books for the children, so all these kind of things. So I thought, you know, or £100 or $100 can go into millions. So I have seen that rich get richer. All the people who get money, they invested in my big whales, always make money. So why don't you use that portion of it? While they make money, let them make money. Why don't we use that portion of it into a goodness? So that project's still there. So I will, I'm gonna mix it with now with JinXCAT. When the time comes, I would let you know that project, how that come in as well. So yeah, this is how we explain JinXCAT. So this is how the idea came up. So far today is day 6. Yeah. So what's happening in JinXCAT? Let's have a quick look. Day 6. Let's go to trading. I would say, yeah, not a very good day in my book. I would say, look, you can't win all the times. So we have seen it's a bit dipping today. You can see we had a bit of sell-off. People are started taking profits from 54 to 31,000 pounds, but still we have many people that who believe in our project. We are very early, so spread the word, like the message. We have applied for coin geckos. It's you can see that we have already applied for coin gecko request submit form successful. So hopefully it's going to come maybe 1 or 2 days. That's going to be added as well. So today I'm going to add the coin to Jupiter, so when people add it to trade, so without warning it can come. So I'm going to add that as well. So yeah, so there are good things coming. So we wanted to do that. To be honest, we wanted to do paid marketing, but we don't have any funds. Anyone wanted to work with us? If you see our video, you think that we are a great project, we are honest and transparent. Please do come and message us in Telegram. Oh, especially Twitter. I love Twitter because there are so many impersonators and scammers on Telegram. So please do reach me out on Twitter. So I'm available. So let's talk. So let's take this project into next level. There are many people who still believe in the project. In the Telegram, they're very strong holders. I'm sure there are people, the whales will come and buy and go. Yeah, but still fundamentally there are a lot of people who still believe. So our coin can go to the next level. So and also I have to say that I love cats. We had a lot of cats back home. It's not here in this country. My kids, they love cat. They wanted a cat. When we went to holiday in Morocco last time, they were after cats. They were spending so much time running after the cats, and hopefully we will get a cat, but I'm not sure how it's gonna turn up. But yeah, um, I have an idea to bring a cat-related app. Um, I have talked with a couple of developers, but if you're a developer, you watching this video, if you want to work with us, please reach out as well. So there are big plans coming. So stay tuned for those announcements. If you are a developer, if you are a development company, please message us. We will work together. We'll find a way how we can interact each other. So thanks for watching. I'd like to see another video. Thanks for your update. See you later.